As my last video was incomplete, where I was explaining that two solutions, the details of two solutions are given. Sorry, same solution with a different molarity is given to you, and one of the volume is unknown. The another you are known the volume, and you will know both the molarity of both the solution. So here we will use m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2, where v1 is the unknown volume. We can find it out by using this formula, and hence the answer will be 100 ml. Let us jump to the other question. Why graphite rod is used in nuclear reactor? So a graphite rod is used in a nuclear reactor which will allow us to enrich the uranium. Okay, so to unenrich the uranium which is used as a nuclear fuel. Mention how many milliliters is equal to 1 liter and how many microliters is equal to a liter. So we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So to find it out, 1 milliliter we divided by 1000, we get 0.001 liter, and 1 microliter is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 liters, right? What is oxidation and reduction reaction? So over here, oxidation is the there are actually 2 to 3 definitions, but I am reading out the one which is written over here, that when there is a loss of hydrogen or adding of oxygen is known as oxidation reaction, and the quite opposite of this is known as reduction. So example of oxidation reduction reaction is observed in the human body when an electron is transferred into the cell and oxidation of glucose takes place, from which we get the energy. You could be asked, what does iron ore consist of, which is a very popular question, and you need to answer. The iron ore consists of iron oxide, right? That is Fe2O3. There are also many forms of iron. You can see iron 2 plus, iron 3 plus. So basically over here we are talking about iron 3 plus. And you can also see the colors vary from dark black to gray to red, brownish red. Depends on the what other ores are mixed with the original ore of the iron. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you have understood it and you answered. I hope I have answered most of your queries which you may have about regarding the research job. Thank you.